Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You have a column with text mixed with numbers. Start now by inserting a helper column next to it so you preserve originals. You will use a single formula to strip digits. That keeps formatting intact and is reversible. Click the first helper cell and be ready to paste the formula I'll give you. Once done, drag or double-click fill handle to apply across rows. Make sure to save before big changes, then proceed to the actual formula step. In the helper cell type, a nested substitute formula that targets each digit from 0 through 9 and replaces it with nothing. For example, start with equals substitute, A1, 0, and wrap additional substitute calls for 1, 2, 3 up to 9. This removes all numeric characters while keeping letters and punctuation. Once entered, press enter and then drag the fill handle or double-click to copy the formula down. If text remains unchanged, after verifying results, lock them in by copying the helper column and using paste special values over the same range. This removes formula dependency and lets you delete the original column if desired. Make sure to reapply any number or text formatting you need. If some digits persist, they might be part of a different encoding or stored as formatting. Try applying trim or clean or inspect with LEN and code to find hidden characters. If nothing works, undo and check the formula for each digit.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.